Hi, this is Matthias here from Windsor.ai. Today I will show you how you get Facebook ads and Google Ads data into Looker Studio and blend them in there. As a small bonus, we're also going to add in Bing or Microsoft Ads at the end, so we can also get all of that in one table. Let's get started. You need to go to onboard.windsor.ai, click on Facebook Ads, and there you click on Grant Facebook Ads Access. Click Continue. Then you will be redirected back into the app. You repeat that process also for Google Ads. I have already connected 2 accounts here. And then I go into Preview and Destination. And here I click on Looker Studio. Now, once I'm in Looker Studio, the first time you open this, you'll be prompted to install the connector. And once you finish installing the connector, you click the Finish button, after which your accounts will appear here. I'm going to set these 2 Google Ads accounts and the Facebook account, and then I'm going to click Connect. And now the field list is loaded here. You can see all the available fields from the connector. Before proceeding to the next step, I'm just going to give it a name so I can find it again later on. FB and Google Ads connector. And then I click on Create Report. Of course, you could also import this data source into an existing report. Since I don't have one here, I'm just going to create a report myself. Now the report is loading. And now you can see here we have different campaigns from Google, Facebook, the campaign name, impressions, clicks, spend, and so on. If you would like to customize that, you just go in, select the fields or the metrics and dimensions to your liking, and then they are available in the table. Now let's get back to that Bing Ads point. What I do now is I have that Facebook and Google Ads connector. If I go back into Onboard, I also have added a Bing Ads account here. It was added here. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to edit connection here and just simply add on Bing. You can do that with more than 70 different data sources with our platform. Click Bing, I click Reconnect, and then Bing data will be available in the dashboard. Now I have the new fields which are available on the Bing Ads connector. I click Apply, and then I'm also going to rename the connector into Facebook, Google Ads, and Bing Ads connector. Just going to click Create Report again to save myself a few clicks, since I have not customized the initial report I have created. Now I'll have Bing Ads, Google Ads, and Facebook Ads campaigns all in one table. If you'd like to have a look at our templates, do visit our template gallery, and there you will find tons of different templates which are ready to be used in Looker Studio. Thanks very much for watching, and have fun with our connectors.